If you are a student in India right now, listen carefully, very carefully, because the truth I am about to tell you, your teachers won't tell you, your relatives won't tell you, even your college won't tell you. But it affects your future more than anything else. In 2025, Indian students are struggling more than ever before. Not because they are dumb, because the entire system is stacked against them. Let me explain. Every young person in India is told the same four-step formula: study hard, then get a degree, then get a job, life set. But here is the reality: 80 percentage of degrees today have zero market value. 92 of engineering graduates are unemployable. Average salary offers are the same as 10 years ago. Competition is 10 times worse because of population. AI is removing entry level jobs in every industry. So, even before you start your career, you are already lagging behind. So, what are the reasons behind this student crisis? Let us check. First one is outdated education system. Students are learning theories, histories, definitions, but companies need problem solvers, creativity, communication, tech skills, AI skills, practical ability. The gap between education and employability has become the biggest in Indian history. Second one is AI taking entry level jobs. Freshers used to do data entry, content, support, coding, analysis. Now AI does these jobs faster, cheaper, better. So companies need fewer freshers. And the third, mental health crisis. Students today are drowning in comparison, career pressure, unrealistic expectations, social media, and even more loneliness. Everyone looks happy online, but nobody is happy offline. In 2025, students feel lost because college is not guiding them. Parents only push degrees. Internet is giving too many options. AI is rewriting the rules. Job market is unpredictable. Everyone seems ahead of them. They don't know what skills to learn. They don't know where to start. This creates a strange trap. Confused mind plus high pressure is equal to paralysis. Students stop taking actions because they don't know which action is right. Let me explain you the truth. No one say loud. Your degrees won't save you anymore, but your skills will. Your adaptability will. Your mindset will. In 2025, companies don't care about marks, ranks, certificates, college names. They only care about one thing: can you solve a real problem better than the next person? That's it. This is the new world. Then you can ask me, how can we survive? There are a few steps, the practical steps. Build one future skill. Choose one area: AI tools, coding, UI, UX, sales, cyber security, product designing, or product thinking, data analysis, or digital marketing. Master one, not 10. Build an online portfolio. Show your skill. GitHub, Behance, LinkedIn projects, case studies, and YouTube is optional. This is more powerful than your degree. And the third, learn communication because AI can do your task, but it cannot handle people. Great communicators will always rise. And the fourth, start early. Don't wait for college to finish. Internships, freelancing, volunteering, part time work all counts as real experience. And the fifth, learn money skills: saving, investing, budgeting, understanding salaries, avoiding debt. This matter more than your marks. And the last, if you are 18 or 25 today, you are not behind, you are not a failure, you are not lost. You are simply living in the most unpredictable decade. And if you learn one high value skill, stay consistent and stop comparing your timeline, you will not only survive, you will win. Watch my next video if you are 18 or 30. Watch this truth about 2025 and it will help you. It will help you to focus on a target, a goal which will make you a better person. Take care and see you there.